Good afternoon, this is Randy. We're just west of St. Helens, Michigan, and we're gonna drive a trail called the Ogema Hills Trail. It's supposed to be a blue trail. I don't know. Most of the trails in Michigan are not hard, so we'll find out what's out here today, and we'll be doing other areas too. All right, we're off. Stop and go ahead and hear down this way. This is the Ogema Road, or Ogema Road, I'm not sure how to say it. But anyway, it's really, really pretty. We're enjoying the scenery and sun coming through the leaves of the trees. It looks like we have some big rocks. So we decided to take advantage of accidental find. I set my camera out to get some footage, and we stumbled across a whole bunch of wild blueberries. Some of the little blueberry bushes are just full of them. I don't know if you've ever had wild blueberries, but they're delicious, and you have to take advantage of it when you can. Well, apparently it's going to rain on us here. We just got the blueberries in the Jeep and it decided to rain, so it might be the rest of this drive. It'll be wet out here. It still won't stop us though. We enjoy driving the Jeep no matter what. Rain, snow, wind, whatever. That branch had my name on it. The plan was to fly the drone occasionally out here. It wasn't a good idea while it was raining. It's not good for them, but looks like it's letting up, so we'll probably get the drone back out. What's the arrow for? indicating we gotta go left. I don't have to get out and turn it around. We've stumbled across the place where everybody likes to go to play in the sand. I didn't build my Jeep for it, so I'm not going to take it out there. So we've come to the end of the trail and the end of the day. It's time for dinner. We had a good time out here. Some of it is a little rough for the Jeep. The areas where the side-by-sides are very prevalent and it's very sandy. It gets extremely washboarded. But we did find some areas that we did enjoy. So I don't know if we'll come back to this exact location, but we love Michigan and we have so many trails to choose from, so we'll be a little more selective next time, I think.